Okay, so this is the Classical Sun Salutation that I performed with my son in a previous video. Now, just a disclaimer, this is not the jump back, more modern style Vinyasa type Sun Salutation that a lot of people call traditional. What they mean is the traditional Ashtanga version, but this particular version with the lunge kind of predates that style of Sun Salutation. You can start with your feet together, they don't need to touch, and just bring your hands to Namaskar. There should be real lightness in your posture. You're not standing there overly tense. Your posture shouldn't be perfectly erect. You're just light. There's no thought about posture. You're just relaxed. Taking a slightly longer inhale through the nose, start to lift your breastbone, and you should feel the space between your ribs. And you see how I have to push my hips forward to achieve that. Reach up, and as you breathe out of the nose, bend your knees and really stick your backside out. Bring your belly to your thighs, hands to the floor, and then step back with your right foot. Drop the knee, lift your chest up. Now, your right hip wants to stretch here, and in order to achieve that, lift your breastbone. Look for that space between the ribs. Essentially, you're making space for your lungs to fill up. Reach up and breathe out. Bring your hands down. Step back as if you're setting yourself up for a press up. Drop down onto your knees. Now, this is the part that most people mess up. Most people do this, that. I still see this now after all these years. The key here is to bend your elbows and go forward, but turn your elbows to face behind you. There. This is Ashtanga Namaskara. So again, I turn my elbows to face behind me, and then I don't drop down, I travel forward. My breastbone touches down alongside my chin. Then without moving your hands, flatten. There, you see how I tuck my bum under and then lift up to a cobra, or if you feel really good, a high cobra, just there. And I always fidget because I have a history of lower back pain and I'm not a robot and I'm not doing this yoga for anyone else. So I'm going to fidget and get a feel for it. And when I feel ready, I ease off. I tell the brain I'm done with that pose. And then I take my time and come into downward facing dog. Lift your left leg off the ground and take a big step forward, landing softly. Drop the back knee. Breathe in through the nose first, and that's your cue to lift up, and keep breathing and keep bending back to create the space for your lungs to fill up. And bring your hands down. Relaxing into your next step forward. Feet don't need to touch. Fingertips either side of your toes. Breathe in through the nose. Can you feel how your chest lifts because your belly pushes in and your lungs need to fill up? And then just let go completely. My back isn't too great today, so I'm going to keep my knees bent and I'm not going to try and do too much in this forward bend. Again, as I was saying earlier, because the sequence is for me and my body, I'm not trying to please a tradition or a teacher, so I'm just going to modify it to accommodate my body. And then when you feel ready, come back to Namaskar. Second round, drive the heels into the ground, lift your breastbone as you breathe in, lift, 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 and breathe out the nose. Bend the knees, really send your backside behind you, belly to your thighs, hands to the floor. Step back with your left foot this time, and I'm just going to switch sides so you can see my posture. We're going to do the slightly older version of the equestrian lunge. Rather than raise the arms up, we stay here. And you see, look where my knee goes. It travels forward, just there. Lift the breastbone and ease off. Step back, drop the knees, turn the elbows, lower the chest, look forward. Tuck the bum under, tuck, lift, there. If some days it's better to lower down a bit more, there we go. Ease off the pose, fidget, do what you need to do for your own body, downward dog. Lift your right leg off the ground. Step forward. Drop the knee. Once again, push that knee forward. Lift your breastbone up. Just there. And ease off. Step forward. Look at your toes. Stretch your toes. And come into a forward fold. Doesn't matter which version. Again, I'm being really gentle. You can see how bent my knees are. I'm trying not to irritate my lower back. I want to find that right balance of therapy and pain. Ease off. Come back to Namaskar. And that is the traditional, by traditional I mean classical, pre-Ashtanga Yoga, pre-jump back style of the Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation sequence.